The Roomfold Plus sliding and folding internal door set provides flexibility and functionality in any home. With easy installation, this door set can open up your home, creating a light and spacious open plan feel. Or close the same doors and create two cosy and private rooms. The Roomfold Plus is top hung with drop bolt fastening and comes in an oak veneer finish. Step-by-step fitting instructions are provided. Available in a variety of sizes and openings, this door set will complement the other doors in your home. The Roomfold Plus comes with a 10-year guarantee. Plus, all materials are sourced from sustainable, well-managed forests. Achieve a great look and flexible feel for your home with the Roomfold Plus sliding and folding internal door set. This is an internal door system and not suitable for external use.